The DJI Mini 5 Pro is poised to revolutionize the drone market with its cutting-edge features and significant upgrades. This compact yet powerful drone is meticulously designed to meet the demands of both hobbyists and professionals, promising breathtaking aerial footage and photography. The DJI Mini 5 Pro boasts an impressive array of features that set it apart. Its high-resolution sensor captures stunning images and videos with sharper details and enhanced clarity. Advanced image processing algorithms ensure superior performance in diverse lighting conditions, from bright sunlight to low-light environments. A larger 1-inch sensor provides a wider dynamic range, richer colors, and improved low-light performance, perfect for capturing dramatic landscapes. Additionally, the drone records 4K video at 60 FPS, ideal for filmmakers, content creators, and enthusiasts. Intelligent flight modes cater to pilots of all skill levels, featuring advanced obstacle avoidance systems. The drone also includes expanded storage of at least 8 GB and an extended flight time of up to 40 minutes per charge. Its durable design and reinforced airframe ensure stability and longevity. Safety features include AirSense technology and Vision Assist, providing advanced obstacle avoidance and precise subject tracking. With its exceptional features, durability, and user-friendly design, the DJI Mini 5 Pro redefines the boundaries of aerial photography and videography. Unparalleled image quality. The DJI Mini 5 Pro's camera system represents a significant upgrade, boasting a higher resolution sensor that captures stunning images and videos with unparalleled sharpness and clarity. This makes it an ideal choice for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Improved image processing algorithms optimize image quality by analyzing and adjusting image data in real time. As a result, the DJI Mini 5 Pro consistently delivers exceptional image quality in diverse lighting conditions, from bright sunlight to overcast skies and low-light environments. The larger 1-inch sensor is another key factor in the drone's impressive imaging capabilities. This increased sensor size provides a wider dynamic range, capturing more detail in both bright and dark areas. Additionally, it produces richer, more vibrant colors and improves low-light performance with reduced noise and enhanced detail. The 1-inch sensor also enables better depth of field control, allowing for a more cinematic look. With the DJI Mini 5 Pro, capturing professional-grade aerial footage and photography has never been easier. By combining cutting-edge hardware and software, the DJI Mini 5 Pro sets a new standard for aerial imaging, delivering breathtaking results. 4K video recording at 60 FPS. The DJI Mini 5 Pro revolutionizes aerial videography with its exceptional 4K resolution at 60 frames per second FPS. This powerful combination ensures smooth, high-quality footage, making it ideal for capturing breathtaking landscapes, fast-paced action, and cinematic productions. With a high frame rate of 60 FPS, motion blur is eliminated, resulting in crisp and sharp images. The DJI Mini 5 Pro's 4K resolution boasts 3,840 by 2160 pixels, providing stunning detail and clarity. Additionally, its wide color gamut captures a broader spectrum of colors, producing vivid and lifelike footage. Whether you're producing aerial films, capturing professional-grade footage for commercial or documentary projects, or enhancing social media content, the DJI Mini 5 Pro empowers creators to unlock new creative possibilities. With its advanced video capabilities, the DJI Mini 5 Pro elevates aerial videography to unprecedented heights, delivering exceptional image quality, precision color reproduction, and minimal artifacts. Experience unparalleled video capture and take your content to new heights with the DJI Mini 5 Pro. Intelligent flight modes. The DJI Mini 5 Pro prioritizes safety and convenience, featuring advanced obstacle avoidance systems that detect and navigate around potential hazards. Additionally, user-friendly flight modes cater to diverse skill levels, ensuring effortless navigation for both beginners and experienced pilots. With expanded storage capabilities, store more photos and videos with at least 8 GB of internal storage. The battery provides a minimum of 40 minutes of flight time per charge, allowing for extended aerial exploration and capturing more footage. The drone's durable design ensures stability and longevity thanks to its reinforced airframe. Advanced safety features include AirSense technology for enhanced obstacle avoidance and Vision Assist for precise subject tracking. Overall, The DJI Mini 5 Pro revolutionizes aerial photography and videography with its impressive features, durability, and user-friendly design. Perfect for enthusiasts and professionals alike, this drone empowers creators to capture stunning aerial content and take their creativity to new heights.